Don't have time or money for a gym or expensive fitness equipment, but still want to get in great shape? Here's the solution. In this video, I'll show you the 5 best bodyweight exercises that can transform your body in just 2 weeks. The 5th exercise is a real game changer, so stick around until the end. You won't want to miss it. Let's get started. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are an excellent aerobic exercise that helps burn fat and strengthen multiple muscle groups. They improve coordination, balance, flexibility, and overall fitness. This exercise primarily targets the glutes, hip flexors, and quadriceps. Additionally, the abdominal muscles, back muscles, and hamstrings are also engaged, while the swinging arms work your deltoids. Unlike running, jumping jacks put minimal stress on your joints and ligaments, making them a low-impact cardio option. They're great for warming up both the upper and lower body, increasing your heart rate and preparing your muscles and joints for more intense activity. Jumping jacks are effective for building endurance and boosting cardiovascular health. By increasing your heart rate and improving blood circulation, they make your heart and blood vessels stronger. In fact, you can burn up to 100 calories in just 10 minutes with this exercise. Plus, their simplicity allows you to control the intensity by adjusting your jumping speed. Jumping jack technique. Start by standing tall, feet together and arms at your sides, palms facing outward. Bend your knees slightly and jump, spreading your legs while simultaneously raising your arms above your head. As you land, your feet should come together and your arms should meet above your head. To return to the starting position, jump again, bringing your arms back down and your feet together. Remember to bend your knees as you land to reduce impact on your joints. Bodyweight squats. Bodyweight squats are a compound exercise that targets a wide range of muscles, helping to build strength and improve mobility. They primarily work the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, psoas, and back muscles, while also engaging the soleus and calf muscles. Strengthening your lower body with squats improves your ability to perform full body movements while maintaining proper posture, balance, and stability. Incorporating squats into your routine also helps strengthen tendons, ligaments, and bones, reducing your risk of injury. Squats are great for burning calories too. For example, a 150-pound person can burn about 220 calories in 30 minutes of squats, according to Harvard Medical School. Squats are excellent for strengthening the cardiovascular system. Performing squats elevates your heart rate and stimulates the cardiovascular system, helping to improve its strength. Additionally, bodyweight squats come with minimal injury risk, making them a safe and effective exercise. Now, let's dive into the proper squat technique. For classic squats, you can extend your arms forward or clasp your hands in front of your chest. The second option is often more convenient as it doesn't require you to focus on arm position. Start by standing tall with a straight back, pulling your shoulder blades together, and positioning your feet slightly wider than hip width apart. Inhale deeply, engage your abdominal and back muscles, and begin lowering your body by pushing your hips back. Lower yourself until you reach the bottom of the squat, making sure your heels stay on the floor and your back remains straight. Keep your knees aligned with your feet. As you exhale, push through your heels to return to the starting position. The burpee is a versatile and challenging exercise that targets multiple muscle groups. If you're looking to build strength, endurance, burn calories, and improve cardiovascular health, burpees are ideal. During burpees, muscles in the quadriceps, biceps, chest, glutes, abdomen, back and shoulders are all engaged. This full body movement requires almost every muscle to work as you drop to the ground and jump back up. Regularly doing burpees can strengthen your spine, correct posture, reduce back pain, relieve stress, and improve your mood. Burpees also help strengthen the cardiovascular system, increase endurance, tone muscles, develop strength, and boost coordination and respiratory function. Moreover, they accelerate metabolism and prepare joints and ligaments for additional stress. One of the main benefits is the high calorie burn up to 10 kilocalories per minute, helping with weight loss and fitness without the need for restrictive diets. To perform a burpee, start with your feet shoulder width apart. Squat down and place your palms on the floor. Then jump your feet back into a plank position, keeping your body straight. Lower your body for a push-up, then jump your feet back to your hands and explode upward, clapping your hands overhead. Ensure each movement is clear and precise, and maintain control over your breath. Push-ups are one of the most effective bodyweight strength exercises. Many people incorporate push-ups into their daily routines to maintain muscle tone. As a compound exercise, push-ups target multiple muscle groups, including the triceps, deltoids, pectoralis major and minor, serratus anterior, and abdominal muscles. They also engage the lower body muscles, such as the glutes, hamstrings, and quadriceps. Push-ups not only build upper body strength, but also strengthen the elbow and shoulder joints, which are essential for progressing to more advanced exercises that require changes in body angle. Push-ups are great for increasing blood flow to the upper body, helping to cleanse blood vessels and support healthy joint function. Compared to weight-bearing exercises, push-ups pose a lower risk of muscle, tendon, and joint damage for those who incorporate them into their workouts. When performed correctly, push-ups not only improve upper body endurance and muscle strength, but they also strengthen bones and increase muscle mass over time, contributing to overall physical fitness. In addition, push-ups enhance balance and stability. By maintaining proper form during each rep, your muscles work continuously to keep your body aligned and stable. There are numerous push-up variations, such as knuckle push-ups, clapping push-ups, and incline push-ups, but let's focus on the classic push-up technique. How to perform a classic push-up. 1. Start in a lying position with your body in a straight line. Extend your arms, placing your palms directly beneath your shoulders. Keep your feet together and gaze toward the floor. 2. Inhale as you bend your arms and lower your body toward the floor. Aim to touch your chest to the ground while maintaining a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core. 3. Exhale as you push through your palms to straighten your arms and return to the starting position. Keep your movements controlled and avoid holding your breath. Next up is the mountain climber, an exercise based on the plank position. The mountain climber involves alternating bringing your knees towards your chest while in a plank, providing an excellent full body workout. When done properly, mountain climbers offer a powerful cardio boost, helping to burn calories, strengthen the cardiovascular system, and improve overall body conditioning. This exercise targets the abdominal muscles, arms, back, glutes, thighs, and lower legs. How to perform a mountain climber. 1. Start by lying on the floor with your hands placed shoulder width apart and your palms and toes firmly on the ground. Use a mat or non-slip surface to prevent slipping. 2. Push into the floor to raise your body into a straight plank position, keeping your body aligned like a taut string. 3. On an inhale, bring one knee toward your chest, ensuring your torso remains stable and does not bend upward. When the knee reaches the top point, exhale and return it to the starting position. 4. Repeat with the other leg, alternating legs at a steady pace. Mountain climbers burn significantly more calories than standard ab exercises like crunches, thanks to their intensity and engagement of multiple muscle groups. Be sure to check out our other videos on this channel, linked on the screen now. See you soon.